So guys, this is the entrance door. Once you enter, by your right you see a switch that controls the blue light and these other ones, like the blue light and this one. So the switch controls it. Then by my left is the curtain and my brother's art. Then straight down is the dining area. This switch too controls the dining light. So beside the switch is the door that leads to the kitchen. Then when you turn back, this is the entrance door, the window, and this is the parlor. So this curtain, behind this curtain is the passage.
Do we have a talent? Huh?
So this is the passage. That's marble. This is my brother's room. I don't want to enter there because I don't know if he would like me to show you guys. So opposite his room is my room. I switched my bed up. My bed used to be this way, but now I think I like it here. So this is my room. My wardrobe, my longest wardrobe. So right here is my toilet and bathroom. That is it for my room. Then beside my room is the kitchen. That's my cabinet. Yeah. That's the butter. Then behind me is the door that leads to the dining, which I already showed you guys from the parlor. So that is basically it for the apartment tour. I don't know if you guys was able to hear me because my neighbors don't know that there's lights, so they're on their gen. So my favorite part of this house is actually this parlor because of the lighting. Yeah, that's my favorite part. Because of the lightning is giving what it's supposed to do. This one does they follow me for back. Hey, mister. Tomorrow is your birthday. What do you have to say, mister? Tomorrow is your birthday. Oh, boom.